Hello and welcome to All Fired Up. So this week what we're going to be doing is turning this piece of steel into a marshmallow fork. So we're going to start by cutting the top with a slit down about 3 fingers. Then we'll bend it out and that will become the fork. Then we'll put a twist in it and then we'll round it off with a handle. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, I've got my slit through the steel. So next we're going to put it into the forge. So we're simply going to light the torch. Just a couple of things to take note. I'm still leaving it nice and thick on each side. That's so when we have the end process, it's going to be nice and blunt. Being a marshmallow stick, we don't need it razor sharp. Plus, kids are going to use them. So the next step, what we've got here, is we're just going to round these. So we're going to bring it to the edge of the anvil. We're going to take the corners off and just round them up. One. Alright, for the last little bit, we've got our wooden handle and our hot spike. Just going to line this up. Pull it off. Wait for this to cool. It should give us a squarish handle. Bang. Done. Alright, so I finished her off. So the whole point of this was a marshmallow toasting stick. So the idea is you put a marshmallow on each end and you can sit back around a campfire and eat them. So yeah, interesting build, bit of fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that stuff. And I'll see you next week.